And I'm just mixing. I just love watching lip gloss mixing. Here I am applying the lip gloss outside so you guys can see what it really looks like. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making nude lip gloss and I'm so excited. I'm using the lip liquids from Pt.13. And the two colors that I'm using is the chocolate brown lip liquid and their white lip liquid. And I'm kind of like creating a little concoction to get the color nude that I want right now. So I'm just mentally keeping track of the ratios that I'm using. So to make my life so much easier, I added some coconut oil, the fractionated coconut oil. This one is from Amazon, but you can get coconut oil from Pt.13 as well. And I'm just mixing that together, mixy. And I'm so happy that I recorded this footage because this was the first time I actually perfected my nude lip gloss. I've tried 3 times before this video and I was like, you know what, I'm getting it right today, so I decided to record it. And now I'm just adding my vitamin E oil. I made sure that I added all the oils first to the pigment to make sure that none of the oils were causing the pigment to separate before I added it to the lip gloss base. That kind of helps you save product in the long run too, because I don't know about you guys, but I've wasted so much Versagel trying to create different colors. So to avoid that, we're doing it this way. But yeah, I added more white and I just kept adding the white until the color became like a perfect milky iced coffee color, because that's the color I was going for, like an iced coffee milky color. I really hope that this video is helpful to you guys, you know, seeing me kind of create the color on camera. I hope that's helpful, because sometimes I know it can be a little intimidating. And I added one last drop of white. So now it's a 2:3 ratio. So that is 2 portions of brown and 3 portions of white. And it looks so good. It looks yummy. I'm just mixing. I'm taking my time and mixing the color in really good. When you use lip liquids, you want to make sure you mix it together very well, because they are super pigmented. I love using lip liquids. But yeah, at this point I really did like the color, so I went ahead and grabbed another bowl and put the lip gloss base in there, the Versagel. And then I just used the same little oil mixture that I just made and put a tablespoon or so of that. I didn't really measure it. I just kind of poured it in there and just mixed it together. And I knew I still needed to add a little bit more oil, so I left it thick. And then I grabbed the polyisobutene. It's the polyisobutene 250 from Making Cosmetics, which I got from Amazon, but you can get the hydrogenated polyisobutene from Pt.13 and it's the same thing. I've used both and I've had the same result. But yeah, so I just added that in, and I was just making sure that I liked the color before I made a larger portion. And I really did. I love the color. It came out so nice. I wish the whole footage was like in the proper lighting, but this lighting is just really dark because the angle I was filming at, there's like a shadow, so you couldn't really see the color. But yeah, I'm using a disposable lip gloss wand to test the color out on my hand, and I was just kind of smoothing it out to make sure that it was pigmented enough too. If you ever have the issue where your gloss is not pigmented enough, just add more lip liquid or more mica powder until you get your desired color. So now I'm making sure that the ratios that I just created make the same exact color, because at first I was like creating the color, and now since I know that I like that color, I'm making sure that the portions of the 3 white and 2 brown makes the same exact nude color that I just created. And it pretty much looks the same to me. So then I added the oil just to make sure that it was the right color. And I think that once I added that oil, it looked exactly the same to me. So I was like, all right, this is perfect. I like this formula. I like this mixture. So I'm going to write it down, which I did. I wrote it down in my notebook that the color was perfect. So it'll be easy for me to recreate the color in the future when I restock, because I will restock this color. It's been selling out pretty fast so far, but I'm really happy about that. I'm happy you guys like it. It is available to purchase, and I will have it linked down below. It's called Vanilla Latte because it's vanilla scented, and it looks like coffee. But yeah, I brightened up the light so you guys could see better what the color looked like. It is a little bit overexposed, but it's okay. You know, it's not a big deal. You guys can still see what the lip gloss looks like. And I'm just mixing. I just love watching lip gloss mixing. Maybe that's secretly why I left the mixing portion so long, so I can just watch it being mixed. No, I'm just kidding. It's really just so you guys could see how long it took me to mix the lip gloss. And I'm just testing out the color one last time on my hand since I made a larger portion. And I was satisfied with the color, so I know this video is all over the place, but I'm sorry. But I'm just filling up one of the lip gloss tubes here. I did not record myself filling up the other tubes. I'm sorry, you guys. I know that's pretty annoying. I'm annoyed with myself, but yeah, here's the little clip of the gloss bath. If you guys want a full video on how I wash my lip gloss tubes, I will link that in the iCard so you guys can check that out. And I'll have my website linked down below so you guys can shop my glosses. The other purple lip gloss is my amethyst gloss, and vanilla latte would be available as well. They're already on the site as we speak. And yeah, so here I am applying the lip gloss outside so you guys can see what it really looks like in the sun. And this is what it looks like with flash photography. It's so beautiful. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on those notifications. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.